Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are we doing today? Happy Money Monday. It's August 23rd, 9:04 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have another week upon us filled with opportunity. This morning, we're waking up to futures green across the board. It's a bit of a scenery change compared to last week. Every day we were waking up, futures were red every single day. Top headlines this morning: Bitcoin tops 50,000, hitting a more than 3-month high. That's going to bring out a lot of the crypto, your Bitcoin stocks. They're all going to get hyped up. Yeah, I've been holding on to this for 5 months and it's finally rallying. So expect your Bitcoin stocks to pop off today. Some of my favorite Bitcoin stocks to track is Mara, Riot. You could track Nvidia as well, that moves with it. But I mainly focus on Mara, Riot. You may even see a pop in BTBT as well. So hopefully you all had a great, wonderful weekend. Relaxed, reset, you got some studying in. The last few weeks for a lot of people have been really hard. I've been seeing a few people struggle across the board. You got to adapt to these market conditions, and when the markets change, you can't get stubborn, because if you get stubborn, you're going to get left behind, and everybody's going to continue moving forward. Always got to be adapting and changing and be very noticeable of the environment around you. This morning, top stocks gapping up on the gap scanner, VVOS. This could take off and run. I'm not really too excited about this name. It just doesn't speak to me. It doesn't. It's up 60% pre-market. It's a bit overcrowded. I'm getting bad vibes off this stock. I don't think that this is going to be the one. If I may very well be wrong, and this could run to 10, I'll still keep tabs on it. But I really feel like this market's going to need to open up, and we're going to see what needs to set up and how these stocks are going to like to move. Remember back Friday, we were paying attention to what was going on across the board, and what were we seeing on Friday. Friday, we were seeing a bunch of stocks pop up, and then they would pull back, and they would continue. We were seeing a lot of really good follow through on Friday. Another stock that's gapping up, AXSM. This could run back up to 28 and test $30. This was a recent big gap down, and we've been seeing these big gap downs a lot. GRWG was another name that was a big recent gap down. And we've been seeing a lot of stocks really get hammered down and pulling back a lot and not really bouncing. That's a reoccurring theme I've been seeing a lot. These are the top two stocks that really have my attention on the gap scanners this morning. I'm not really too much excited on what's gapping up. You got TRIL, that's not going to do anything. VVOS, I feel that's going to be overcrowded. You got a small little penny stock here that's going to run into resistance at 350. So that's got an upside potential of 50 cents. Not enough for me. ALXO, nothing going on there. HNP, nothing going on there. So you get the gif of the scanners this morning. There's just not really anything going on. One stock that I do want to pay attention to though, right out of the open, is NCTY. This bad boy on Friday kept popping up to that 1450, and we were saying Let this thing consolidate, and this thing very well could blow over that 1450, run up to 15, 1550, 16. Well, this morning it's gapping up to that $15. It's a somewhat low float stock. It's got a history of running in the past. It's up on no news. So all this is, guys, is a pump and dump. That's all that this is. There's not really much going on the gap scanners. Traders are going to want to focus on pump and dumps. They want to trade and make money, right? So NCTY is one of your top candidates. This right out of the open could start skipping to the upside. So I want to keep my eyes on NCTY for a quick opportunity. This thing, like I've said, it's got a history of running in the past. It very well could run again. Traders remember stocks that run. Remember that. What else we got? DATS. This is a newer IPO. This has been ramping up the last 5 straight days. If you scroll out on this, every single day it's been inching up a little bit more and more and more, getting more and more momentum. Friday, this started to ramp from 5 to 650. We could see a continuation on this thing today. It's at all-time highs, so who knows how far this could go. QFIN. All day Friday, this wedged out. Now it's gapping up to that $20. Look for a pullback down back to 1950 and hold. And from there, build off of that. This could push back up to 20, 21. I like this one, QFIN. This is more of like a swing trading type play. And it's going to be light on volume. We got BT gapping up this morning a little bit. This is just bouncing. It really needs to get back up above $13 to really pay attention to it. It's got to prove to me that it wants to spike and go. So this could very easily fail and fall and back down to $12. Let this thing prove to me that it can spike, hold its gains, get back up over that $13. RGC, this was a pump and dump on Friday. This thing popped up at the end of the day on Friday. This thing ran from $6.50 all the way up to $26, $27. Friday we were streaming and we were watching this as it was pulling back right here to this $20 area, $18 area. And it got a nice momentum snap back up to 25. Nice $7 pop on it right there. This thing could easily get momentum back in it and it could start ripping back up to that $20 again. RGC. It's a low float stock. ALF. Getting a little spike here pre-market. If it can hold this $9, this thing could run back up to 10, 10.50. There's ALF is going to be on a few people's watch list because this was a performer last week. It got a nice pullback, nice pop on Friday. Now it's gearing up for a potential continuation. So keep ALF on your back burner. We got VRPX. This was a parabolic runner last week. The last 3 days, it's been pulling back, getting little bounces on it. You could see clear as day it's been leveling out at the $16, $15. Momentum could easily come back into this. This thing could run back up to 20, could run to 25, 30. This thing likes to run, and it's a low float stock, 2 million. So all of these stocks I'm spitting out to you guys, there is opportunity out here. There is. We just have to patiently wait for this opportunity, let these stocks set up, and we're going to go after the best risk versus reward opportunity that we see. FULC, this is a bit of a low volume type play, but this thing is up at its highs, up at 26 now. This thing on Friday ran from 22.50 all the way up to 26. So this thing can move. It can. SPRT, this popped up a little bit on Friday, then just got crushed. This stock has to prove to me, like BTBT, that it can spike, hold its gains. I'd like to see this get back up over 10, hold 10, and then from there, potentially push up higher. I like that $10 area because just above $10, there's not much resistance above 10. AMC is gapping up. AMC had a wicked day on Friday. Morning dip from 34 all the way down to 32. Then just comes back like a beast from 32 all the way up to 35, and now it's gapping up. It's been in a range back and forth from $30 up to $38 every single day. AMC's got the volume, it's got the volatility, it's most definitely tradable every day. So AMC should be on your watch list every day because you know everybody and their mother has shares of AMC. They're all on the hype train. It's going to be important to pay attention to the scanners this morning and today to see if anything new pops up. With nothing really going on with the gap scanners this morning, people are going to focus on the scanners, and whatever pops up, everybody could easily gravitate to. So it's a lot of stocks I just spit out at you guys. Don't overwhelm yourself. Just throw them up, keep tabs on them, and see what sets up today for potential opportunity. We have 1.5 weeks left of August. Then we go into September. My career, guys, September has been the slowest month of the year. So take advantage of this opportunity while it's here, because things are only going to get slower. And you got to adapt to the changes. You got to start playing more defensively. Things will heat back up around Halloween and Thanksgiving going into the end of the year. 2021 is already almost over with. This year flew by. Summer has come and gone. We're about to be going into fall. Man, times fly. All right, guys, be safe out there today. Don't overshoot the gun. I know you're excited. You want to trade. It's Monday. Just chill out. Chill. Let that easy money come to you. Remember that. There's no need to be buying and selling right when you hear ding, ding, ding. Let that stupid money blow their account, and we're going to wait for that easy money to just stumble into our laps, right? That's what it's all about every day. Managing and noticing your emotions and reacting to what you're feeling and seeing in the market. Some people can't control it. Those that do or can control their emotions will succeed in this game. All right, guys, let's get out there. Have a great day and a great upcoming week. Remember, let's take it one day at a time. We're here to make money. Secure those profits. Don't overstay your welcome and foolishly give back money. All right, guys, let's get it.